Hi, how you going? I'm back again. I made some amazing Happy Ningxia Icy Poles today, and I wanted to quickly show you why I had everything set up, how to make them. Now, because we're in isolation, my fridge has become my BFF, and you know, every 5 minutes, the cupboard, even the dog keeps walking into the cupboard to see if his cookies have fallen off the shelf or anything like that. So I wanted to make something for me because I, being Dutch, have the biggest sweet tooth. So I thought, oh my God, I need to really make something for me and the girls, and Carlo comes home tonight, that is good for us instead of getting into the ice cream and all the naughty things that I shouldn't be having. So I wanted to quickly show you how to make some Ningxia Icy Poles. This is a really great way to get high antioxidants into you and the kids as well. So they're really super easy to make. I actually made bath bombs with these as well. If you've seen my Icy Pole bath bomb recipes. So these are just little molds you can pick up for $2. So basically you get 6 in a packet. You can get it from Target, Kmart, and you know, you probably got some lying in the house already. So they're super easy. I just clean them. They're reusable. I don't like using a lot of plastic, but there's sometimes that we just have to. So get them ready. Now, this is really super easy to make. You can dilute it more for the kids because we do use 1 cup of Ningxia in this. So this recipe makes 6 icy poles. So it works out to be about 40 mils per person. We are upping our Ningxia at the moment, which is a great time to do it. So I don't mind having some extra at that time of the day. But if you've got children, you want to stretch it out a bit further, you can dilute it and just double the recipe that I'm going to show you. Okay, or dilute the recipe out. So just grab yourself a Pyrex. I just pop my little trays. I hope you can see this here. Just in that so I don't spill any, because it's like liquid gold, this beautiful red stuff, yeah. Also too, I put berries in mine. So I have frozen berries. So when I buy my berries fresh, I freeze them so that I can pop them into my smoothies and all that as well. And then just chop some up. So I love, Bella and I love blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries. You can even put watermelon, you can put segments of orange, whatever you want to put in there. You can actually fill them up with fruit. So just chop some of them up, which are really, really easy. And I always do them when they're frozen, depending on what size mold that you have. So I've got some chopped berries. You can put whatever oil that you like. In Young Living, we have 38 culinary oils. So if you're in the US, they're Vitality oil. So you can go and add anything from lemon, lime, orange, tangerine, frankincense if you wanted to, whatever you want to put in there. So really good to add them to this as well, so it takes it. Tonight I'm making Happy Ningxia Icy Poles. Happy is for orange. Orange is a happy oil, and I love to use it every morning, all through the day. I just love it, and to have it in my Ningxia in this way is a really great way. So all you need is Pyrex, easy to pour in. You'll need half a cup of water for this recipe. 1 cup of Ningxia goes in here. I've got a niche. Bella's going to bring out the finished. She's like, Mum, I can't wait to try those. So 1 cup of Ningxia Red. Now, if you don't know what Ningxia Red is, I'm going to put the brochure up in there. This recipe is in our amazing little brochure, so I'm going to pop that up. It's something that, we need to be having right now, and anytime, I truly believe, you need to have Ningxia every day, 365 days a year. My bird loves it, and my dog loves it as well. So they both have some every day, and it keeps them. Right, orange oil. So just put 2 drops of our happy oil in there. How beautiful is that? And then super easy, just pull your molds out, your top bits. Ready to go. Pop your berries in the bottom. So just place what you want in there. Chop up your raspberries. So whatever your kid's favourite fruit is. And look, these are not for kids. My kids are 19, so This is for adults. You can also substitute it with coconut water if you want to, and you can also substitute it for coconut milk. So I make creamy icy poles as well, which I really love as well. But these ones are just, it's still a bit warm here in Perth, so just do it like that. And then all you do is you just fill up your, best to do it like this in a container so you don't have a disaster, and you do not want to absolutely spill. Now the secret is, don't go right to the top, just leave a little bit so that they expand. Fill them all up, so I'm going to show you that. Bella's going to bring over the icy poles. Once they are all filled, I feel like I'm doing an info commercial, but it's just something I made today and I wanted to show you guys how I made them. Pop the lids on, stick them in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours, and there you go. And let's have a look what they're going to look like. This is like, here she goes, this is my assistant. So, secret, getting them out, you just need to get some warm water on the bottom, and then voila, how gorgeous is that? It's got your beautiful berries in there. I've got raspberries and blueberries. I actually made these ones with tangerine, which was divine. So there you go, just another way to have a BFF in the fridge, something that's good for you, something that curbs those sweet cravings at night time. Give it a try and let me know how you go. I'll post up the recipe. Good night, have a great night, see you.